688. 7 times 80 is 560. 4 times 50 is 200. 6 times 70 is 420. 5 times 325 is 325. I mean, 5 times 65 is 325. And 7 times 78 is 546. So here's our final given. N is 8, X is 48, Y is 564, X squared is 300, Y squared is 40,730, and XY is 3,489. So now we're going to solve it like this. 8 times 3,489 minus 48 times 564 over square root of 8 times 300 minus 48 squared times 8 times 40,730 minus 564 squared. In order to compute it, we first need to compute 8 times 3,489 minus 48 times 564. So 48 times 564 is 27,072. Next is 8 times 3,489 is equals to 27,912. So 27,912 minus 27,072 is equals to 840. Next is we need to solve the first denominator, which is 8 times 300 minus 48 squared. 48 squared is equals to 2,304, while 8 times 300 is equals to 2,400. So 2,400 minus 2,304 is equals to 96. And lastly, the second denominator is 8 times 40,730 minus 564 squared. 564 squared is equals to 318,096, while 8 times 40,730 is equals to 325,820. So 325,840 minus 318,096 is equals to 7,744. Now, we need to multiply the two denominator. 96 times 7,744 is equals to 743,424. Now, what is the square root of 743,424? And the square root is 862.22. So now we're going to solve 840 over 862.22. So we only need to divide this numerator to the denominator. So 840 minus divided by 862.22 is equals to 0.8. 974. And that's how you solve Pearson R manually. Thank you.
Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to calculate Pearson's R correlation and SPSS. First, let's go to the variable view. At this point, we'll define our variables. For the independent variable, type hours of sleep. Then for the dependent variable, type exam scores. Make sure to set both variables to scale. Under the measure column, this is important because Pearson's R requires interval or ratio data. Next, switch to the Data View tab to input your data. Enter value for hours of sleep and exam scores in their respective columns, which is mine is already here. So, and now, let's analyze the data. Go to Analyze, set Correlate, and click Bivariate. In the Bivariate correlation box, move both variable to the right using the arrow. Under the correlation coefficients, select Pearson. For the test of significance, choose 2-tilde. Check means and standard deviation under the option, then click OK to run the analysis. The result will appear in the output window, which is this. The first table provides a descriptive statistics like mean and standard deviation, while the second table shows the Pearson's correlation coefficient and its significance value.